Yo, mic check. What is going on? So this stream, man, is just gonna be a nice little saddle stream. Had to do a couple things. I had a team working behind the scenes for me for my social, but now I had to like kind of fire them. I didn't like how they was doing stuff. So I see real authenticity right now and everything like that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get the ball rolling. So basically, guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway just like how you guys see it here. Giveaway. And basically with this giveaway, I am going to be doing a giveaway 200K account through Board Funded. So I'm going to be explaining that in a little bit so you guys will know exactly how to get in tune with that. I'm actually going to put in a notepad here. I need everybody to do me a favor. Make sure you like the video. I would appreciate that. Good day. I'm gonna show you guys where we at right now with the account as well. Kind of keep you up to speed with everything, so y'all be in tune with that. But give me a second. I'm actually putting in the giveaway rules. All right, and then 3 is follow or funded. All right. So I think the music is loud. I feel like the music is loud right now. All right, so basically we have been doing good with this account, guys, with this funded account and also with my personal account. On my personal account, we actually got it to $150.41 to be exact. So that's pretty cool. We haven't really took any trades besides really just 3. It was the US30 gold. No, was it gold? I think no, we never took a gold trade. It was NASDAQ and it was NASDAQ and then US30. So it was really just those 3 in oil. I believe we took oil. I'm not sure how to view my history. Okay, see. All right, I got it right here. So yeah, we basically took 3 positions here. Bye. We took I don't know if this is supposed to be, that's oil. That's supposed to be oil. Okay, so we took an oil, gold, and whatnot. Yeah. What's going on, Sway? All right, so I'm actually working on sending this out because we're about to talk about how you guys can get this 200K. I think I might do this though to make it easier for you guys. I think I'm gonna just put the text on here so y'all can actually see it. So we're gonna do that real quick. I think that makes more sense, right? Where is the text at though? I don't see it on here. What? Oh, there we go. I was looking for this. I'm like, bro, what's going on? All right, y'all. Adding text right now. It's like, all right, this is like too much shit going on in my screen. I don't like that. So let me like just center this or some shit and then like make it smaller or something. Hopefully I can see it, but I'll just keep it right there, man. Hopefully we should be good anyway. All right, let's go into the charts. Let's go into the charts, baby. So this trade right here, I fucking missed it. I missed it, but I had recorded it so I can like do back testing on it. But this is oil, and this is 100% my setup, man. Like, I wanted to show you guys what an oil setup looks like, because it's so perfectly set, right? Where we had this downtrend, right? We tapped into our extreme point, which is this move right here, based off of this range from this A point to this B point, and then this right here is the C point. Basically, if you guys pay close attention here, we hit this area, perfect engulfing candle. We could have entered off of that. There was another setup on the 5-minute that I seen right there, and then we could have just rolled that all the way down to TP1 and then TP2. If you also look at this move, you also see looking left that right here, this box really here is like our actual supply chain, and it's very strong actually. If we go all the way out and look at it more in depth, this is a very strong level, right? So this is definitely a major key level for sure. But that was the setup for today. I didn't take this trade. I'm just showing you guys what my setup does look like for oil, as oil's always been prime to me for sure. But I think we still got some opportunity to hop into some of these other pairs, like 30 and also possibly NASDAQ. What time is it right now? Yes, it's about to be 10. So usually around this time I like to see that reverse chain happen, and then kind of from there I kind of can determine like, all right, this is what it is, this is what it's not, you know. Make sure you guys like the video for me. I would appreciate that. I trade off the 1 minute, 2 minute. Mainly the 2 minute is my entries. I should have been a little bit more detailed about the story. So basically, any story from any post of mine or boards, or if you guys are watching my live stream right now, just go ahead and post board and also solo. So maybe I should say that, I guess, right? I don't know. I mean, there's different ways you guys can do this, you know. There we go. Is that cool? I think, all right, we good. Let me do one more thing so I don't like, there we go. Can I make this bold? No, they're not gonna give me that, right? All right, that's cool. Okay, cool. Anywho, y'all, man, all right, so y'all remember last week we took a fat ass L. I had seen that buy, it went left. I got out the trade at like $1,000 loss, so I just left it alone. I actually end up holding this trade with with my $100 account. I end up holding this trade overnight because I'm like, yo, I know this is going up. On my prop firm side, I had to get out the trade because I was just over risking it. You guys know. Let me say, I'm gonna say this again. Let me go here, show you guys this. So on my personal account, I follow this plan right here. 15 to 30% is like my overall that I risk, and I'm willing to take that risk for sure when it comes to my personal account. But when it comes to my funded account, I'm not risking 15 or 30%. I can't. Obviously, I will blow the account. I will lose the account. So I had to get out that trade off of off my funded account, and I had to basically ride that on my personal account. So me riding this trade on my personal account ended up being $40 win because I had held it overnight. But then on my funded account, like I said, I had to get out this trade at a $1,200 loss. So that's pretty much what happened. Right now the account is at literally 150. It's like $50 up right now. So it's not going, it's going for sure. So I'm happy about that. But we're at $50 right now. Yes, we're at $50 right now. I think what I'm also going to do is do a FX. What is it? FX. My FX book. I think I'm gonna do my FX book, and then also you guys will see the track record of that, so you would be up to speed with that if you're not like tuned into all my live streams or even tuned into my stories on Instagram, because I know sometimes that can happen. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna connect all that FX book. I'm gonna connect all that today, and then I'll try to share it next week or next time I go live on here. So whenever that is. So yeah, we're up 150. We got $50 in profit with that. My funded account, we're working on it from phase 1 all the way up to phase 2, and then funded stage, and then payout stage, and then scaling stage. So I'm just trying to do everything that I can just to prove points of myself that it's possible, and go from there. So since I missed out that first oil trade, I always say that there's 2 setups in oil during this time. I just want to make sure that I'm not getting in too late, because we did tap into this 50% mark right here, and that's kind of scary. $50 mark in between the -27 and -618. That's what I mean. And then for NASDAQ, let me look at this right here. Yo, this indicator is actually fucking crazy. It's been helping me a lot when it comes to like making sure I got a really good entry. That's for sure. I do trade. No, I haven't traded gold in a minute. How many lot sizes do you use for 200K account? That depends on how much I'm risking, but the average on a NASDAQ trade, I do 20 mini lots. So I do 0.20, and then on like oil, I would do five standard lots. US30 is about the same too. I can actually show you. There was some trades you will see on here that I took bigger like positions, but I realized I was over risking. So this one I did 20 lots. This was 50. I got out this one early at $500 profit, just because I was like, whoa, I didn't know I was risking that much. This one was $1, but that was because I didn't know I was risking that. $2, I don't know, I was going crazy for it. And yeah. Also guys, my strategies, I have 2 strategies on here. So one of my first strategy is my 3-man standing strategy. Of course, we got 100% on there. I think I only took I took a total of 8 trades. Yeah, so I guess I took a total of 8 trades on this, and they're all so far 100%. My live stream is just like a strategy of me trading while I'm live. Also, the 3-man standing strategy is the same, but we took 3 trades. Right now we got a 50% win rate overall, and it's telling me the best pair to trade right now is NASDAQ. So I now know that NASDAQ is really good for the strategy, but we only been trading 3 pairs. So we only been trading US30, US oil, and NASDAQ. And as you guys see, NASDAQ has a higher percentage, which means we've been trading NASDAQ more, which is kind of weird, because NASDAQ is usually the least favorite of my indices. But I guess for Q1, for whatever reason, it's booming. So that tells me, this journal is telling me right now that this is what I should be trading for Q1, at least with the strategy. What is the 3 knob strategy? The 3-man standing strategy is I wait on price to create a range, and then from there I get in the market once the range hits the exponential point. Sorry, wow, the extreme point or the midpoint, and then I look for my entries there. Everybody's talking about gold. What's going on with gold? Oh, I see. It's already up though, y'all. Why would we trade it now? Unless you already in a move, then yeah, but it's already up. It's nothing to trade now. Patience is everything for gold right now. I'm not looking for nothing right now. I don't even think I'll be looking for anything for this session too. It's already up. GJ's doing this thing. Let's just go into NASDAQ. Oh my God, look at this setup, y'all. So look at this setup. So right here, you see that we pretty much had created a correctional trend, right? We got 1, 2. Technically, this would have been 3, but that's not. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from there, it usually supposed to, this should be that reversal to go up. Or we shall see. Actually, I think I'm doing it wrong, guys. Actually, let me look at this one right here. Here we go. So we got 1. I don't know if this is gonna count as a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there we go. So this is a correctional trend. For those that don't know what that is, this is like an Elliott wave play, wave theory play. This is the correction, and this is the, I'm sorry, that is the trend. That's the correction, and then we should be getting something like that. That's the theory of wave theory and Elliott wave, for those that don't know. So if we look at this closely, we see that we got this play right here. We can easily take that move. I am actually interested in a buy for yes, Joe, this is so perfect. Hold on. Shit, man, I might get in a buy right now. Yep, I'm buying this, y'all, because on a 1 hour, this is already a good play. I'm buying this on my personal account though, just because I know I can hold this trade over the week or over the next day. So what did I buy this last time? Yeah, I'm gonna do a small I'm gonna do 0.5, and I'm gonna buy. Am I buying the right one? Yep. And I'm gonna buy in on this. So I just brought into this pair, this one, NASDAQ. I just brought into NASDAQ. I think I'm gonna also do it on my funded account, but yeah, I am gonna do it on my funded account because this is a nice setup, and this is a one setup that I'm gonna actually probably hold in due time. Let me add my stop loss. Technically, I think I was gonna add it there anyway. So technically, shit, I should have got in. So technically, I want to get in. I want to get my TP right here. Wow, this would be a $3,000 win. Nice. If this hits our TP, this would be a $3,000 win. That's not bad at all. Okay. All right, cool. It's good to know. So yeah, we're just gonna ride this out and see how it goes, because this is like the cleanest setup ever. Let me check this right here. This is more for scalping setup, so I'm not really seeing that anyway. Yeah, I need that 3K profit so I can be close to passing this phase 1. I need that 3K profit. How much money we got left to pass phase 1? My internet is acting so weird right now. What is going on? Where is our this? You subscribe to more shared a live stream on YouTube, and follow Board and Discord. Yeah, keep doing it. We're keeping records. We're keeping records of everybody that's doing that to get funded, to get the challenge. We're doing a giveaway. The giveaway will be announced next week. Is when we're going to announce it. Next week is when we're going to announce it. I just want to make sure everybody is able to join and be a part of it. Yeah, we got 100% win rate on our 3-man standing strategy. Our biggest win was $3,000. Our biggest loss was, oh, there is no loss right now. So yeah, that's right now though, but that can change. Average hold time win is 6 days. Losing streak, winning streak 8 days or 8 trades. All right, so how do I go to, okay. So guys, I'm taking a long position. This is like an entry day move that I took on NASDAQ. Just so y'all know. Like I'm literally holding this for a little period of time. GJ's been moving fast. Hey, yo, Sway, what do you trade now? Because I've been seeing you doing your thing on the markets. Did I open 20 lots? I am in standard lots right now. Sorry, I'm in mini lots right now, 0.20. That's what I'm at right now. And then on my personal account, I got micro lot going on at 0.02. And I'm gonna hold that overnight. What would 0.20 mean on MT4? Exactly that. Exactly that. You just put that in. It's basically mini. You got, I don't know if MT4 is calling it mini, micro, or standard. I'm not sure, but with Trade Locker, if you do that, it's basically 20 units. Or am I saying it right, y'all? 20 units? 20 or 200 units. I forgot how Trade Locker does the whole entire measurements. But yes, I am in NASDAQ right now, but this is for a long-term position. Not even long-term. I don't want to say long-term, but more of a mid-term position. Y'all know me for scalping mainly, but I just know NASDAQ definitely is going to give me something beautiful. I need everybody here to like the video. And if y'all want that free account, I need you guys to follow those giveaway steps up top. Follow me, follow Board, and then share either my live streams or anything on the post of mine or on Board, and make sure you tag me and Board so they know and I know. And then also follow Board from the Discord. Link is in the link down below. Is it down below, y'all? Actually, yeah, I don't know. Hey, don't go shooting all the dogs, cause one of them got fleas. It's definitely not down below. I'm definitely sending you guys off right there. Let me post that. You could leave, but the mother guys is whack, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music in my blood. It was. Or you can join my Discord. How about that? We'll just have my Discord is there, but we're actually reframing our Discord anyway. But at least I know. So that's fine. We'll just keep it like that. Oh my God, oil did drop further down. Damn. Oh, fuck, bro. Leave something for my son and my daughter in case of my departure. You know that I The name of the music. This is called Legacy. I gotta copy this. This is called Legacy by Nick Caution. I think I'm saying his name right. Feel there's more for me to do until I call it quits. Everything I do is for the ones I love and miss. Yo, this was our second setup for oil and I missed it. And so I'm not looking for any oil trades today, unfortunately. This would have been a last move. I always like to say you get 2 moves off of oil in the session, like 2 smooth plays. This was the first one that I missed, and this is the second one I missed. I guess we was too focused on NASDAQ, which is cool. I'm in something. Can you fix the thing so we all see what time frame you use? Yeah, actually, I can just do this. There's a feature on here that I remember. I don't know if it's still here. Like it shows the time frame on the chart. Did anybody here remember how to do that? How to get to that? Can anybody help me out here and tell me what do I do to get that? No, you still can't see it there. I never saw that, bro. Oh no. All right, a long time ago there was a setting where it will show the time frame all the way in the background. It'll be like really transparent, but it will show it. I think you go to canvas. Let's see, watermark. Here we go. There we go. Thank you, Shane. Thank you. All right, so the watermark is here. Hopefully you can see it, but basically you will see right here like what am I looking at, and then 2-minute time frame. It's not as how it should be, but hopefully this is cool for you guys. Damn, bro, look at that. That motherfucker is moving. This is why I love oil, and oil is like the least traded asset. I'm gonna put y'all on oil, man. Everybody here watching, y'all gonna be put into oil. Y'all gonna really understand how lucrative oil is. It can make y'all a shit ton of money. It might not be as fast as gold, but you guys can really make a bag off of this. Remember, guys, with this NASDAQ trade that we're in right now, keep in mind this is a long-term trade. Nothing settled. So I am anticipating. I already got my stop loss to $2,000. If I lose it, I lose it. If I win, I make $3. And then on my personal account, I'm just gonna ride it out. You just need to learn how to trade oil. So much money on oil. I know, it's crazy. It's the same. I like to trade it. It's like a baby version of 30 or NASDAQ. It moves very settled. That's why I like oil. It moves very settled, and it's a calm pair. It doesn't do too much like gold would do. Like out of nowhere, gold would just spike up like 30 points, and then it will spike right back down the next 2 minutes, like 80 points, and it's just like, what the hell just happened? You know? So like right now, as you guys see, I'm on a 5-minute time frame right here on gold. And notice how gold just spiked up and then it instantly went down. Then the next candle spiked all the way down and kind of closed right here. That's just a comment of what gold does. And then this move, this is what gold is known to do. Just spike all the way out and then out of nowhere go up. It's so crazy. Yeah, I can definitely show you that when that time comes. Right now, yeah, we're gonna lock in right now. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. This is a 5-way pattern. Oil. My only downfall that I don't know right now what's going to happen with oil is if we break out of this line right here, out of this low, I don't know if oil wants to actually continue to go further down. We might end up hitting some of these levels right here, like this right here. We could tap into that if we break out of this low right here, or if not, we could just hit that, because the thing is, if we do hit this low and we break out this low, it could be that liquidity sweep, liquidity grab, and then we could still see it spike up, because on a daily scale we still got a lot of levels that we got to hit. And if you guys look on our daily scale, we've been holding this strong supply demand level for a very long time. We're talking all the way 2021. We've been holding this line for since 2021, and then even back on we're going into 2018. It's been holding pretty well for when it comes to resistance as well. You got into oil from watching my YouTube channel? That's so fire. And then with NASDAQ, why do I got this here? Let me remove this. Just throwing me off. So with NASDAQ, we're on a let me jump on a 4-hour. With NASDAQ, guys, I'm basically seeing a simple play where you took an L for the day. All right, I feel you, Sway. I took my L the other day and I ain't trade yesterday. After that L, I just let the market alone. So today we're back at it. But guys, I see this set up so perfectly well, where it's like we have our trend, and then we have our pull, and then we got our continuation. And then if you guys can map that out very clear on the 4-hour, it gets easier and easier when you start to scale down. So like right here, we should essentially get 5 to 3 waves in every pull, every correctional pattern. Based off Elliott wave trends, it goes like this, or wave theory. You usually will get something like that, or usually get something like this, or usually get something like this. It's supposed to be my bad, that's kind of bad, or you get something like that. But regardless, what I'm getting at is you will always get some sort of pattern that aligns with 5 waves or 4 waves, and then from there you can literally determine where you at in this correctional pattern, meaning like, all right, are we done with this correctional pattern, or are we still correcting, right? So if you notice in either in the end of wave 3 going, or the end of wave 5, that's like the end of it. So that's pretty much how that works. My stop loss for NASDAQ is I have my stop loss at 21 160.55 on my funded account. On my personal account, I'm gonna be riding it out further down to these levels here. My personal account, because I can risk way more. Like I'm risking 30%. I'm only in 1 trade too, so I risk anywhere from 15 to 30%. And then if we look, so we got 1. You always got to make sure it touched the trend line in order for you to count that as a leg, guys. What I mean by that is if you draw your trend line and you notice this ain't touching, this is not your actual leg. This is the actual leg. I'm gonna draw it out like that. This right here is the actual leg. So it goes like 1, 2, 3. All I know is in 3, usually it would just go ahead and break out, or sometimes if you want to correct a little longer, then it would be something like 4, or sorry, threw it off. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then boom. Or it could just be 3 and then boom. Regardless, I just know I'm in the right side. I'm in the right leg, either to determine if it is that or not. The only downfall about this entry right now is the actual position in the position spot that I have. I do anticipate this to go up, and I know it will go up. It's just all about that entry that I got in at this moment. if I got in the right time, or if not, I might have to re-enter. But I am definitely interested in the re-entry if it ever hits my stop loss, because that jump is going down. This was kind of like the same play the other day that we was live streaming, guys. Like, I was like, look, if we let me see, if we can act off of this level very well, I will be buying it. And clearly it went down, went back up, and then it went all the way back down. But then out of nowhere, that jump just took off the other day, and I was like, oh shit, I'm still in this trade. Let's see where we at. And that was that little profit that I made.
You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey. When I'm around, they now, what's up now, this touchdown like. Hey, Nick from City be hating them Nicks, don't show me no love. My TP for NASDAQ is, I got 2 levels for it. I got this high at like 21,377, or I got 21,447. These are like my 2 levels. And then I use this FXAN to kind of even, like, I've been using this to kind of help me like get like that perfect entry. So I think this is the 1 hour time frame right here. Let me do this. Oh, we go to settings, canvas, water market, so y'all can see it. Here we go. All right, so y'all see right here, we basically got NASDAQ in making right now. I'm sorry, like, I'm getting distracted because of this fucking music. It's like I can't listen to talking and talk at the same time. It's fucking annoying. But anywho, if you guys look here, you pretty much see that we have this level. I want to see green, 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 green. It's just color corrections that I'm looking for. This is like the easiest way I like to look at this indicator, FXAN indicator. All right, guys, so if you want this account, once again, follow me, The Real Solo E, follow Board Funded, share this stream, or share anything that you see on my post or on Board's post on your story. Make sure you tag us so we know. Tag me, tag them, and then follow Board Funded Discord. Link is in the link is literally below. If you don't see it, which I know it's not there, just follow my Discord, and then we're good. I'm gonna be announcing the winner next week because I just want to be fairness to everybody, you know, that's coming in and not and whatnot. So you guys will be in tune with that. So I had why did we take this loss again? See, this is why I like journaling my trades. I don't even know. I don't even remember none of these trades right here. I got to make sure I start journaling as we trade. So this one was a loss because I just know we took this trade during my live stream. And we took this trade actually on the 15th. No, yeah, on the 14th. We actually took this trade on the 14th. So I can refer back to my live stream. Let me go get that video. It says we got 4 likes. Oh, we got 25 likes. Oh, we definitely gotta get them likes up. Let's see. What live stream was this again? This one was the one from 2 days ago. So let me go ahead and copy this link. Paste it so I have record of it. Bow, boom, we're set.
All right, cool. So now I will be able to refer back to this and know exactly what's up. Cool. You said you open a buy on NASDAQ FTMO 20 and it looks so small. What account size you got? It also depends on the on the margins too. Like, what's the margin on that? Damn, we down $23, 200K. What's the leverage I'm at? What's the leverage? $130, I think. That's definitely one reason why. Because what Bohr is 1/100 for the indices. I think it's indices is 1/100. No, Forex is 1/100. That's one of the reasons. And it could be because of like the spreads too, a little bit of the commission. Because on my Hankotrade account, if I take a position on like a NASDAQ, it's pretty small because of their spreads is really low when it comes to indices and such and such. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube. Let's get this shit bumping. My boy Joker, what's going on, brother? How long you been rocking with me, man? Look at US30, US30 5-minute. Oh my God, hold on, guys. We actually might have a setup. Hold the fuck up. Okay, even on this one, it's showing sales, not buys. Fuck. Yeah, this is actually not the setup because we got a wick here, but we're fulfilling all of these wicks. 2 years, that's what's up, bro. I appreciate that. Straight up, bro. I really appreciate that. Hey man, try to go ahead and get this funded account too. You know, I'm not favoritism anybody, just so y'all know. It's no favoritism. It's all going to be randomized. But if you guys are interested, yes, you can get. We're doing a 200K giveaway. Thanks, shout out to Bohr giving me this 200K account. Only exclusively through my live streams though. It's only exclusively through my live streams. I just created an Instagram account a minute ago, and it won't allow me to follow anybody. Hopefully, I'll be. Oh, shit. Okay, maybe I should have thought that through. You know, because I know a lot of y'all do and don't have Instagram, right? Okay, so let me do this then. Fuck, I gotta figure out another solution for those that don't have an Instagram. But like I said, we'll be announcing the winner next week, the end of next week. So it's gonna give everybody time to figure out other social. But you gotta have some social, right? I mean, I have a Twitter, but I don't be on Twitter. So. Facebook, I have that, but I don't be on that either. Like, yeah. Oil's been playing out so well lately, bro. I swear to God, I love Oil so much. It's the most cleanest setups ever. I don't even think we took a sell. I don't even know how many trades. Let me see, how many oil trades did we take? Yeah, I mean, we only took 3 oil trades, but they're all one. It's just oil is just the most. I feel like oil is just the most easiest setup. If you really pay attention to how I trade it, it's the most easiest setups. Where are we at with your NASDAQ? Where are we at? Right here. You see my entry right here. I enter right here. Maybe if I just love how you can just share your position. That's just so fire to me. Did the market freeze? What the fuck is going on? NASDAQ just went into dead mode. What the fuck? Why everything else is moving but NASDAQ, y'all? The fuck glitch is going on right now? Hold the fuck up. Oh, it's moving. It's just not moving on here. What the fuck? Yeah, crude oil is the same as US oil. I know I'm not tweaking. Why the hell did that happen to NASDAQ but not nothing else? Okay, regardless, it's just doing this thing. I don't know what it's really doing. I remember somebody said they was about to sell gold. Are y'all still in that sale? Because one thing about gold is I don't see a sale. It's just, look at this small move right here. I can almost guarantee, this is why I love the Fibonacci. I can almost guarantee where the next P and L or P and H will hit, which is basically my new low or my new high. So like this red zone is like, I just want to show you how accurate this Fibonacci, like my Fibonacci play is so accurate. I see a lot of other YouTubers been using it too. I should have sworn. I ain't never seen no other YouTuber knew about the -27 or -618 until I started making Elliott Wave videos and all of those scalping strategy videos. I'm just saying. Now all of a sudden everybody's doing it. I'm just saying, man. But look at this move right here. So I'm gonna draw my fibs from this range to this range. And then we're going to see how accurate this is. Now, the thing about gold and the thing about trading during news, there's 3 points. You got your news, which this is like my extreme level. And this is only if a news event occur. This is kind of like where it would peak at the most. And then you definitely will see a reversal. Other than that, these 2 levels is kind of where you start to see that point of that new high or the new low form. But let me just show you how accurate the Fibonacci is. So as you guys see, we pretty much tapped in this level and then we reverse, right? So let's just see how accurate it is for me drawing it from here to here, trying to see where this point is at. This is our A leg, this is our B leg, our correction, and this is our continuation. And I'm gonna draw it out. I'm gonna draw this wave out so you guys can see what the wave pattern is for those that trade Elliott wave or understand wave theory. This is something I've been studying for years. For those that don't know, I'm an Elliott wave trader and I've been a firm Elliott wave trader for the past 6 years now. I just figured out a strategy that makes it super simplified. So I'm gonna draw my fibs from here to here. And as you guys see, look how perfectly it hit that fib. This is my -618 in the reverse. So I'm not saying every time it hits these levels, it will reverse, but what it does is always creates a new high. So even if I was to draw out my Fibonacci from the next range, which is this point, this is a correction. A correction is just anything that's just going sideways 3 times or 5 times. You said stop loss hit. Shit. God damn. It's getting there. It's getting there. Where did we go? Damn, we lost train of thought now. Where were we at? We're in gold. That's where it's at. I got my stop. Either way it go, I got my. Ain't no fucking way, bro. Hold up. I got my stop loss set. Either way it goes. Let me try to exit. What the fuck is going on? Either way it goes, I got my stop loss set. So I'm not stressing about it. I already know if I lose $2,000. I just had to let me see. Yeah, I reopened it. I don't know what happened. I just had to reopen it. But I got my stop loss set on that. I'm not stressing about it on my personal account because I'm really not risking shit at all. Or am I? I'm kind of actually. I'm lying, but I'm able to set it at a higher risk amount just because it's a personal account and I can do whatever I please. But let me draw my fibs out. Let me show you guys what I mean again. So if you guys pay close attention, look at this. I drew it from this starting point here to here. Look how I hit that. And then it created that small reversal. It even went up further and it actually hit that and then it went down. So like, I'm just showing you guys how accurate this is. And that's exactly what's about to happen with gold. So this is a pattern right here. We're going to tap into either here or we're going to tap into either here. And we're going to definitely create another high right here. So this, anybody that's trying to buy right now, don't buy it. It's the most shittiest position ever. Don't sell it. It makes no sense selling it either. And then if you get really good at this strategy, this is like my 3-man standard strategy, by the way, guys. If you get really good at this strategy, you will know the overall picture and you will know when the bigger reversal will happen, basically. So like, I'm not saying this is accurate because I haven't really did a full analysis on gold, but let's just say theoretically we figure out our range first, which we kind of got. I think I'm like, technically this is all the range right here. I mean, if we're looking at a bigger picture, it's all the range, it's all correction. And the crazy part is I don't even know what type of correction this is right now. It's just so weird. 1, 2, 3. But yeah, if we were to figure out the math here and let's say we knew the bigger picture and let's just say gold was here or maybe gold was here, expect that bigger reversal that a lot of us be looking for to really sell it. But there's nothing to sell right now with gold. There's nothing to buy with gold. We're literally, you just gotta wait. You just gotta wait. And while NASDAQ is trying to eat us alive, we're just calmly going to patiently wait to see what really happened. Oil's still dropping, huh? Nice. Once again, guys, I need you guys to make sure you follow me. Make sure you guys follow me. Damn, we still dropping? I'm curious to know if this is going to be like a move like this to drop down there and then maybe hit up. That's going to be trash. Or I just always like to catch NASDAQ at the wrong time. Maybe I need to get off NASDAQ and just focus on oil. Oil and 30. I do like oil first, 30 second, or really 30s first because it's been giving me more setups lately. Oil second, and then NASDAQ is last. I mean, kind of like how I got my order right here. This is literally how I like it. This is weirding me out right now. I got a question for you guys. When do you guys trade? When do you guys stop trading? Do anybody here stop trading at a particular time? I'm gonna put a poll up. What time do you guys stop trading? Hey, does anybody here trade during like 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time? Anybody here trades around 7 p.m. Central Time? If I'm still up. Okay. Damn. NASDAQ. Fucking NASDAQ. What the hell just happened to Trade Locker? Did I exit out of this? Well, we're coming to my stop loss, guys. Coming to my stop loss. I really want my stop loss to be down here, but I'm just risking too much at this point. Like, how much is that? $5,000 risk, bro. That is not worth it. That is not worth. What just happened to my stop loss? Fuck. What just happened to my stop loss? All right, there we go. Yeah, bro, that is not worth it. It ain't worth it. Yeah, thank you, Sway. I showed, but all right, let me put it there. Nah, it ain't worth it. It really ain't worth it. I'll make that money back with oil. I'm just telling you guys, NASDAQ is gonna turn around though. I know it is. That's the crazy part about this setup. Like this is the most manipulated setup ever. On my personal account, I'm not stressing about it, but on my funded account, it's like, fuck, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's see. Don't marry. Bro, I used to marry trades so faithfully back in the day. I came to oil because of you, fast and slow supply and demand king. Yeah, you love oil. See, I'm trying to tell you, I love that. I love to see that you guys are rocking with oil. Let me. Same at 0.40 today. Yeah. I know a lot of us want more faster paced pairs or assets, and that's why a lot of you guys like Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the number one indices that's traded the most, and then commodities is gold, and then for Forex is Euro USD. I know a lot of you guys like I know a lot of you guys just really personally like that gold. It's very lucrative, but I'll tell you guys this. Sometimes we got to understand it's not about fast pace. It's about the longevity game. And a lot of us forget that, right? We care too much about right now and not about the future in a way where we're like, I just want to get money now. Like, I don't care about making 20% or 1% every single day. I want to do 10% today. So I look at oil like it's a slow, steady play. Like, I'm gonna just show you guys this setup. Like, look at this. So I always say that there's at least 2 setups you can get in, I guess, oil in one session. Mainly New York session. I study oil so long and so well to understand how it moves, and that's why I always say it's also important to marry 3 pairs, meaning like don't go past 3 pairs, right? Just focus on 3 pairs and kind of lock in from there. So if you guys pay close attention here, you will see that oil's basically been creating this this steady incline, right? Oil will always hit my fib level so perfectly, pull back, hit my next fib level so perfectly, pull back, hit my next fib level so perfectly, and then on a bigger scale, it had hit the bigger fib point, and then that's when you get that bigger reversal, kind of like what you're seeing right here. This is why I love oil so much. It does that. So if you guys look, let me just kind of play it out a little bit. Like right here, technically this is our pattern. We technically hit that perfectly, and then boom. So I'm on a 5-minute time frame right now, right? So if I was to scale to a 1-minute time frame, it's not gonna light me off the 1 minute, is it? It's not gonna light me off that. All right, there we go. So if you guys look, if you know where you at on a bigger play, everything else is super simple, because now you can start mapping out these smaller plays. So let's just say theoretically we start the trend maybe here. So let's say we draw fibs from here to here. You guys see we technically hit that level, and then we reverse. Now let's say we draw fibs from, I'm trying to find some easy setups because it can get very technical in a 1 minute. We draw fibs from here to here. You guys see we tapped in this area very perfectly, and boom. Everybody's saying NAS for buy. Don't get too happy about this move. Let's not get too happy about it. I mean, I would be happy that it don't hit my stop loss, obviously, but let's not get too excited. Tell Trev leak the hard drive, I'm ever caught in traffic. Don't let a label milk my name, just get my mom the cash. It's a new era, same pro, and I want all the static. I've been killing since some tours were static. Even before we in the basement and recorded magic. Who would've known? They know my name is South Africa. 15-hour flights, I landed and perform these ballads. Sparring sessions, but it's never padded. Woke up in Wonderland once I followed the white rabbit. I've been running for miles, it's hard to keep my balance. Papa Doc, these other rappers, if I'm ever challenged, baby. Battle tested, but it's me who been my hardest foe. Confused with how I feel because it's hard to show. Grateful for my past, but got so far to go. My heart been on my sleeve, you watch me bleed, I got the scars to show. And we still on this yellow tape, bro. Is there gold at the end of the rainbow? Hey. And we still on this yellow tape, bro. Hey. Is there gold at the end of the rainbow? Some
people change and I'm not surprised. Wishful thoughts when you ignore the signs. You authentic with your circle, but a fraud in mine. You know you crossed the line, your notoriety was never notarized. But so it goes, I'll find another side. The revolution won't be publicized. There's a war outside, but it's internalized. Different struggles in these troubled times. And like a year, I feel I double mine. You know
Why the New York session so slow? It's because we had so much news this week. We had PPI, what, CPI I think too or something. I know we just had a lot of high impact news this week. Early on this week.
Try to deflate like a patriot, but never do I fade a bit. Fuck it, give me your worst, I'll show I'm made for it.
Oil's finally spiking back up. Where 120 at?
And we still on this yellow tape.
I don't know. We gotta get him one though. We definitely get him one though.
Is there gold at the end of the rainbow? Hey. And we still on this yellow tape, bro.
Has liquidity phase developed to 3-man standing?
Is there gold at the end of the
Nah, the
rainbow?
3-man standing and liquidity phase are still two different things. Literally, it's two different things. So, yeah. Elliott versus liquidity. What? I gotta picture that in my head. How would that look? Elliott wave versus liquidity. The markets did been. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is. Oh, I thought this was nice. I said nice. And a nice little pull off of this wick. Thought I heard something. Hey, if you guys follow me on Instagram, regardless, you would be up to speed with all of my stuff. Like if this hits stop loss, or if this hits TP. If this hits stop loss, not even gonna lie to you guys, I don't think I'm gonna trade NASDAQ for like a whole week. Because this is like my second, this will be my second L straight with NASDAQ. And I don't like, if 2 L's, I'm out. That's why I didn't really want to trade yesterday, because that loss kind of like, it didn't blow me, but it's just like, man, I'm not even moved. I don't trade every day no more either, so there's no point of me even always like trying to look for a setup, trying to set myself up to look for a setup. You know, there's a lot of setups in the market every day, but we don't got to trade every day. I know one thing I do realize, the less I trade, the more profitable I became. Nah, I don't trade any UK oil. I just mainly trade US. I never tapped into the UK oil side. Brent oil, I think is what it is, right? Yeah, he got it working for futures now too, Joker. He has Mr. 120 buy still out. Yes, he got it working for futures now. Cause he trades futures now. I told him I'm slowly getting into that. I got an account. I got a TraderVape account. Maybe one day I'll do that too. Like, we'll trade with my TraderVape account. Yeah, I got a TraderVape account, so I'm all set for that too. For anybody here that's trading futures, I swear, you said you got your 2 L's, you're done. I feel you. I'm cool with my L, bro. Like at the end of the day, shit, I'm already up profit for this account. Christian, yeah, I'm not trading oil. I know it's moving though, but I'm gonna be honest with you. This is just another setup for it to drop possibly. My rule is 2 setups in a day. That's it. And my 2 setups had happened, and I missed both of them. This was the first one. The moment I got into the chart, I was like, "Fuck!" Market was right here, and I missed that one.
And then the other one was we was too focused on NASDAQ, and I missed this one. That's why I'd be like, focus on one pair or at least tops 3. But if you be having your screen like this, and you go at this, and you look at this, then you be like, this, you're gonna miss out on all your setups. Or you're gonna not fully focus on that one setup, and you're gonna probably get in a bad setup because you wasn't too focused on it. You said, yeah, I use Mr. 120 bot with NASDAQ to pass my Apex accounts. Yep, that's what he do. We'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I got my initial investment basically back, withdrawed yesterday. Nice. Hey, I swear, who you trading with? Sleep too and trying to breach safes that I didn't have the keys to. We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting up a new chapter. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Y'all see how gold just tapped in? Are you an Osprey? Okay. Y'all see how gold just tapped into this level, and now we should start seeing a reversal. Does this mean sell? Not necessarily, because we're still strong trend. The market can still, it's a 50-50 right now. The market could still head to this level. It can head in between here, or it can peak a little bit out. You got like 3 different things to worry about because they use Trade Locker. Yeah. Trade Locker is where it's at. None of y'all asked my question. I'm surprised. Let me just let me put another poll up real quick. Yeah. Trade Locker, MT4, MT5, Act Trader, which is HankoX. What else do we have? We got BX Trade or C Trader. I want you guys to answer this poll for me. I'm just curious to see what trading platform are you guys using to trade. If you trade futures, I'm sorry I did not include that in there. Live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. I should have said DX Trade, C Trader, and Match Trader. I should have put those 3 together. So far, Trade Locker is number 1, and then MT4, MT5, and HankoX is number 2 together. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people lie through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Squad building. I appreciate that. Thank you for calling me a genius. I appreciate that. Everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's time for me to lead, picking dirt right out the cleats. Steep path, roadblocks in the streets, trying to knock me off my feet, cause the devil never sleeps. So I don't sleep too, and trying to breach safes that I didn't have the keys to. We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting a new chapter. Guys, I need y'all to answer this poll for me real quick. I'm just trying to see where we at. So right now we have Trade Locker number 1, we have MT4, MT5 number 2, and then we have HankoX number 3. And DX Trade, C Trade, nobody. Isn't it lovely? Oh, it's 11. Okay. All right, guys. So unfortunately, I just realized it's 11 o'clock. I have to actually get off my live stream because of the simple fact I have a meeting to attend. I will be back live. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to get live again tomorrow at the same time. I actually like recording at this time. I think it's dope. Also, guys, if you like this, let me know. I'm actually about to start a low hip hop live stream 24/7 on this channel for traders, and trading is going to be trading music. So if you guys like that, just drop the fire emoji and fire emoji and fire emoji, and I would appreciate that. But I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow, if not for sure Monday. Everybody, peace, love. Your boy Solo. I'm out, baby. Peace.